Botswana is a landlocked country located in southern Africa. Its constitution, officially known as the Constitution of Botswana, serves as the supreme law of the country. Adopted on March 30, 1965, the constitution has been amended several times to reflect changing circumstances and societal needs. The Botswana Constitution contains several silent features that shape the country's governance and legal framework. Here are some notable aspects. 1. Democracy and rule of law. Botswana's constitution establishes a democratic system of government based on the principles of the rule of law, separation of powers, and respect for human rights. It provides for a multi-party political system, regular elections, and an independent judiciary. 2. Republican and unitary state. Botswana is a republican state with a unitary system of government. The constitution establishes the president as the head of state and the government, elected by universal suffrage. It also outlines the powers and responsibilities of the president, the National Assembly, and other government institutions. 3. Protection of human rights. The Constitution guarantees fundamental human rights and freedoms to all individuals in Botswana. These include the right to life, equality before the law, freedom of expression, freedom of assembly and association, and protection against discrimination. The Constitution also prohibits torture, cruel, inhuman, or degrading treatment or punishment. 4. Citizenship and equality. The Constitution outlines the criteria for citizenship and prohibits discrimination on various grounds, including race, tribe, place of origin, political opinion, and gender. It promotes equality of all citizens before the law and provides mechanisms for addressing grievances related to discrimination. 5. Land and natural resources. Botswana's constitution recognizes the significance of land and natural resources to the country's development. It provides for the protection of private property rights and the sustainable utilization of natural resources, while also acknowledging the need for land reform and equitable distribution of resources. 6. Judicial independence. The Constitution establishes an independent judiciary as a separate and co-equal branch of government. It guarantees the right to a fair trial and outlines the powers and functions of the courts. The Constitution also provides for the appointment and tenure of judges, ensuring their impartiality and autonomy. 7. Decentralization and local government. The Constitution recognizes the importance of local governance and devolution of power, allows for the establishment of local authorities which have the power to make decisions on local matters, promote development, and deliver services within their jurisdictions. Thanks for watching this video and also subscribe. Advocate Buzzard Shah channel.